For this project, I'll be using a sport weight yarn in 100% cotton in 3 colors: yellow, black, and red. You also need a 3mm crochet hook, and you can find a complete list of the materials and the PDF version in the description box. Here are the stitches that you need to know to make this project: chain, slip stitch, and single crochet. If you find this video useful, please consider to subscribe. And if you know someone who needs this, kindly share this video to them. Begin with a slip knot and make a chain of 10. When you have 10 chains, add another 1 chain. Next, single crochet in the second chain from the hook and single crochet in each chain. End of row 1, turn your work. Row number 2, make 1 single crochet in each stitch. Now repeat row number 2 until you have a total of 20 rows. Once you have 20 rows, you're going to drop the yarn and do not finish your last stitch. We're going to pick up the black yarn and create a slip knot. Like so. Now insert the hook into the loop and pull through to finish off the last stitch. From here, we're going to be working over our yarn ends. That means we're going to carry our yarn all the way until the end of the row. Using the black yarn, you're going to single crochet in each stitch. As you can see here, I will be crocheting over my remaining ends so that we can carry them all the way until the end of the row. End of row 21 with the black yarn, turn your work, and again make a single crochet in each stitch all the way until the end of the row. Again, make sure that you're going to crochet over your remaining ends. Before finishing off the last stitch of row 22, you're going to drop the black yarn and pick up the red yarn and pull through to finish off the last single crochet stitch, just like so. Now from here, we will be working with the red yarn. So what I'm going to do is cut the remaining end of the black yarn, like so. Now pick up the working yarn, which in this case is the red, and then turn your work. So row 23, we're going to single crochet in each stitch with the red yarn. Now I'm just going to cut the remaining tail here just so we can clean up the edges. From here, you're just going to repeat this row 10 more times for a total of 11 rows of red. So do that and meet me back later once you're done with this part. Working around the sides of the panel, you're going to make one single crochet in each row. Next, one single crochet in each stitch. And continue with one single crochet in each row. On the last part of the panel, we're going to one single crochet in each stitch. And when you get to the end, you're going to slip stitch into the first single crochet, just like so. Now chain 1 to close the round. Now fasten off, cut the yarn, and weave in all of the ends. Now with a yarn needle, we're going to create a rectangular shape in the center of the belt to create the illusion of the buckle. And fasten off and weave in all of the ends. That marks the end of this video. You can find the written version of this bookmark in the description box. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button if you find this video useful. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.